Today we're going to learn about how to put an image onto the surface of an object that we make. So I'm going to start off by just making a sphere, and here it is. It's at world center. I'm going to click on the plane because we don't need that right now, and I'm going to delete it. As you can see in the nano preview, there is no plane there. Now I'm going to kind of move the camera so that I've centered this sphere in the middle. Okay, now select it again by clicking on it with your mouse. Go to materials. Alright, and we're going to put it onto the surface of this. So we have the color box here. I'm going to press every button in the A column so that I've got something on the surface of this, or all the color is present. I'm going to go to the image texture, which is the P button, and then I'm going to go to the pink source editor above, texture source editor above the pink button. That allows me to import pictures onto it. I'm going to select one of the empty gray squares. I'm just going to click on there. I'm going to go to the file that is my mask image. You should have already turned yours in, but don't use the one from the server. Use the one from your flash drive. If we look at this, I have a couple of choices here. I'm going to go for, looks like Nelson's is ready to go. Press open, and now in the empty gray square you'll see the image of your mask. That should be good. Go ahead and press the green check mark down here. Alright, and it looks correct on here. If you wanted to, you could change this from the mapping mode from sinusoidal to spherical, and it may put it a little bit better onto your object. Check that off, and then you're going to go ahead and press render. Now if you wanted to edit this and rotate it slightly so that you can see it a little bit better, that would be very nice. I'm going to turn it down a little bit, not that way, a little bit this way, and then render it. Rendering is by the large blue ball in the, or green ball in the middle below the trackball. The trackball is used to kind of change your view, and you're going to go to, let's render it one more time. And then I'm going to go to File, Save, and you go ahead and you save this to your flash drive with your last name, first initial, mask on ball warm up, and I'm going to save this to my computer. You have to save it to your flash drive. I'm actually going to save it directly to the server folder so you guys can take a look at it in Graphic Arts, Mr. Feeney, and I will put it into period 1 CG1 project, not projects but warm-ups, mask on sphere, and I will save it in there. Once I've saved it in there, remember that Bryce, when you save a Bryce file that you've already rendered an image from, it will save not only the file with the meshes, the wire mesh, or the object, but it will also save an image or an .bmp file along with it. So if I look here, here's the mesh, the wire mesh object. This is my working file, and now I'm going to go into the mask on sphere warm-up, and you'll see that not only did it save the file, but it saved an image along with it. And if you take a look at that image, it's a very large one. It's about 2 megabytes, but it is there. Alright, and this is what I will be grading you on, is the fact that you have turned in the image. Do not give me the Bryce file, which is the .br7 file. Good luck.